So the next thing I'm going to take you through is a video page. I'm going to demo this because there are some new requirements that we are enforcing and training upon when it comes to referencing videos or adding videos in any of our CSUN web pages. And so I want to explain the concept behind how a video page works. So if I have my regular content page, the one about the animals, and I have a nice video that I want to put in that page, we're no longer embedding the video right into that page where you can play. What we do is, with Web 1, we actually create a separate video page, so that when you click, maybe you want to insert an image, a hyperlink image, to play the video, it will prompt you to go to a video page, and then that's where you can play and see the video. So it's different than embedding videos, which we do now. And the reason why this is how we do it in Web 1 is that even in IT training, any video that we put on YouTube, we have to caption for accessibility purposes. So if you have videos that are not captioned, the video page forces you to put a transcript in. So no matter if it's captioned video or not, transcript or not, you have to have that information for your videos. So one of the classes asked us, well, if our video is captioned and it's accessible, do we have to put in a video transcript? And the answer is no. But there is room for a video transcript if it's not captioned. If you have a video out there on YouTube that you want to reference and there is no closed captioning, you need to recreate the video transcript and add it to the page. And that just entails listening to it and typing out what the person is saying. The other thing about of the videos section is that we are having all of our videos hosted on a third-party video hosting site. Currently, the one that's usable or workable is YouTube. With every hosting site that we add, like Vimeo and Flickr and all of those, we have to add a module. So we're adding different modules, but currently the one working is YouTube. So that's our go-to. You can go up and open a channel and upload your videos there and then reference them. So let me show you how this works. I could go to the My Workbench, go to Create Content. We've seen this before. Go to the video link. The title is going to display on your video page, so you want to name it appropriately. And for this example, it's not an animal-related video. I grabbed something from our current YouTube channel for IT training, and the subject was the Scheduling Assistant Outlook. Okay, so I'm going to name it appropriately. Then what you do is you go to the Select Media button. And this is the only time where you'll actually use the Web button when it comes to seeing this screen, because you copy and paste that valid YouTube URL in. So I went behind the scenes here, went on to our YouTube channel, and this is the URL I'm going to copy and paste. This is our Scheduling Assistant video. You can see it's captioned down here. So we're pretty set as far as accessibility goes. So I copied this URL. I'm going to go back to Web 1. And then you just simply paste it in there. Okay? These are the other supported video providers. That's the list there. But what I just covered was to focus on the YouTube one. So I'll select Submit. And it tells me right here, basically in blue, that you are referencing a video, and then Save. So it gives you a little icon of what that video snapshot looks like. And I'm going to have you turn to the video page section, which is on page 39 for me. So you're going to see I want you to see, as you're going through these fields, where this information is going to display. So a video caption on page 39, that video caption, if you put one in, is going to reside right below the video itself. So you can give a quick description of what the video is or just the caption of the video. So I will put in a caption here. Schedule. Okay. So the deck and transcript. Deck is a new term, and I want to show you how to use that. The deck is going to be that piece of information that resides above the video. So if you want to give a description or a paragraph of what the video displays, you can do that. You see, it's optional. There is no red asterisk. But this is where we're talking about getting all of your stuff collected before you upload a video. And in terms of a transcript, it's a required field. So, well, my video is closed captioned, and you said that that's okay. So there is a little bit of a cheat to the transcript field. Although it's required, you do need a transcript or you need closed captioning. What I can write here is video is closed captioned, and it would accept that as a transcript, okay? But I brought in a transcript anyways, so I'm going to copy and paste that transcript. If you have both, just work with both. So we always do copy and paste this entire transcript into my video page. I see that it's there. All right, so again, just going to work my way down the left-hand side. So miscellaneous is not anything you really have to worry for the video page. Groups is going to say your group name. Menu settings, remember we can skip over that one. Revision information, if I want to publish this and actually be able to create a hyperlink from my web page, then I would need to save it and then publish it. URL path settings. If you have a long video name like you see here, or a long title for your web page like you see here, you can create an alias that's shorter. We call it a vanity URL. And meta tags. I can leave that if I just like the information it's collecting. So we'll go ahead and save this. So you notice I created a completely separate video page. And it's unpublished, but this is what it looks like. Okay, my video transcript makes it a pretty lengthy page, but this is required. So there's also my caption. I left out a deck, which it would be a description. So let me go ahead and publish this, because I can show you how to create a hyperlink from your content page, and it's really pretty simple. So we'll go to Revisions, the tab. I will say Publish. And Update State. Okay, so if I want to then, on my main content page, reference this video, you copy and paste that URL up there at the top, because it's a brand new page. If you want to reference a web page, you need to have the URL. So it'll take that. I'll go ahead, and now that it's published, it will work. So I'll copy this. I'm going to go to my workbench, do the shortcut, and go to the My Content tab. Find my web page. CSUN Farm Animals. You can click the Edit button. All right, so I'm going to place a reference to this video as a hyperlink down here at the bottom. So you just insert that hyperlink, paste it in there for that URL of the video page, and then insert. I'll select Save, and we'll go out and test this to make sure that I did it right. So I'll click CSUN Farm Animals. That's my web page. So if I did it right, I click this. It opens up that separate video page, which includes that required transcript. Okay? So because I had all the information, I had the transcript, I had the video, this is just a demo portion. But any questions about how to reference a video or create that? Pretty straightforward. Okay.